Alright, so what I got here is I got a 89 Nissan pickup truck. I got a D12 motor in it. I got Z24 on the breather cap. I got a starter that's it's down there. It's easy to get to pretty much. You just there's a bolt on the top and a bolt on the bottom. There's the bolt on the bottom right there. And sometimes I try to start it. Starts right up, no problem. Sometimes I try to start it and it don't want to start. So I hit the key and it just does a little chunk and it doesn't do anything. The flywheel, everything seems to be alright. I went through a couple starters before. So this particular starter is an Everlast, and I decided to get a lifetime warranty on this one, so they say. So I think I'm going to take this off, and I am going to exchange this for another starter today, and go ahead and do that. And it's going to be very hard for me to show you how I did it, but I can show you before and after. Like I said, there's one bolt at the bottom. There's one bolt right there. You actually see both bolts. There you go. One bolt there, one bolt there. You got a couple of electronics, a little plug. Where's that plug at? You got a plug down there. Plugs into it. You can barely see it, but it's right over the top, just over the top. There's a plug down there, and solenoid and all that stuff. So, okay, so I've got the starter out. This is what it looks like. It has a one bolt that goes here, that goes to your that goes to this thingamajig down here, and then you have another plug right there that plugs into this right here. And this is the way I have mine done. Could have been maybe that wire wiggled a little bit, but I doubt it. It was pretty stationary up there when I had to pull it off. Some difference in the starter or something, if I remember from a while back, or maybe my connection on the other end was bad, but like I said, it was snug. It's been like this for a while, so I'm just going to take it back, and you know, I got a lifetime warranty, and because I don't have time to be stopping nowhere and tapping on something with no hammer and all that stuff. Okay, so I got my new starter. I just went down to AutoZone, and what they're trying to tell me is there's nothing wrong with my old starter, and I suggest y'all don't go for that, because starters can heat up, and when they heat up they don't want to start, and sometimes they don't want to start when it's cold, and sometimes they just start and then you turn the key the very next time and it doesn't want to start, and that's what happened today. So that could be the solenoid and electronics. So they almost gave me a hard time. They ended up giving me a new one, and I want to put it in and see what we got. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm going to try to crank it up with the new starter in the vehicle, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna hold down the clutch. I turn the steering wheel a little bit. Success. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Never mind that. That's just a brake light. Check engine light ain't on. I think this is the first time I've not seen the check engine light on. So let's go. There she is.